What's up, YouTube? This is Mikael's channel, Mikail, Mikael. Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see in the title, today we're gonna talk about how to build discipline. And when you want to get discipline, you have to and just by the way, got some ratings, you know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, how to get discipline. It's very simple. It's very straightforward, guys. You just have to do something at that time. You understand what I'm saying? So say now, for example, as Monday. Monday now, no sorry, Monday. Say now it's Wednesday. Then you voice yourself, okay, I'm gonna start working out Friday or Monday. I'm gonna start working out Monday to get the fresh start. No, don't do that. Because if you do that, then you're not gonna. Then when Monday comes, then you're gonna say, "Nah, I'm gonna start tomorrow. I'm gonna do this, do this." Then you forget about it. If you wanna start with something, start with it immediately. Like if you wanna work out, if you wanna start praying, if you wanna, and you know what is most discipline? Discipline is doing something a lot of times for in a row. You see. So when you discipline, you have to just do it. Don't care if it's Sunday, you do it. Don't care if it's whatever day. And then and the excuses of nah, I get it daily. Like I don't have time to exercise and so on. Don't give yourself that excuse, cause that you just trying to give yourself an out. Do it immediately. Do it when like you don't even feel like it. That's what it means. If you're struggling to do it, get some motivation. Guys, it's important to do it like a lot of times. And start with small stuff, man. Like for example, brushing your teeth every day at the Pacific, brushing your teeth. And if you go sleep at the Pacific time, you go, you go eat like you're on a diet or something. You get what I'm saying? So, what you should do is, like, you start with small stuff, then you get to the big stuff, like working out, to praying, but like, when you discipline, it's just gonna take you far. When you discipline, it's gonna take you so far. And there's a difference between motivation and discipline. Discipline is doing something over and over and over, and like without like regardless of how you feel. Motivation is like, yes, because now I'm hyped, and now then you did what you needed to do. But yeah, guys, discipline is important. It is, if you wanna be like a top G, if you wanna be successful, you must have discipline. You must have discipline. And yeah, short video today, but thank you for watching, guys. And see you tomorrow.